Okay, so recording has been started. So now, okay, so first of all, uh, we are learning SQL concepts. All right, we are learning SQL concept. Why we are learning SQL concept? What is the purpose of learning SQL? Okay, so in industry, we have number of jobs, job opening, job openings in different fields like ETL developer, ETL development, data engineering, data analyst, okay, data science, AI engineer, ETL DevOps engineer, okay, so cloud DevOps engineer, okay, so and uh, and uh, and cloud DevOps engineers and many more items are there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 I have written. Rest many jobs are there, right? So and all of them follow same approach. Okay. So the first basic thing you need to learn in any of the job related to data is the SQL concept. Okay, is the SQL concept. So that's why I am focusing more on SQL concept. And SQL concept is generic. Okay, generic. It includes RDBMS, RDBMS, and generic SQL. RDBMS SQL and generic SQL. Okay, so these two concepts are there. We will be focusing more on generic SQL. Okay, we though we are learning RDBMS SQL as well, but we will focus on generic SQL, which is generally used nowadays on cloud environment and or big data environment or big data environment, regardless of it is on premises or it is cloud. Okay, so we will learn it in a generic fashion. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. So so let me tell you, if I'm not wrong, it is recording. Yeah, it is recording. So the first thing arrives the first things arrive in this. Let me get to the first point. See, my question is to you, what is a fact? What do you mean by a fact? What do you mean by a data? And what do you mean by an information? Do you have any idea, or can you tell me?
Sir, data is a collection of information as we studied in DBMS.
uh, okay, so let me not go there. I will tell you what all of these are. Okay, so fact are something, uh, recorded incidents, recorded incident. Okay, ठीक है, right? So recorded incident means, you suppose there is a news, right? Like like India TV or NDTV, okay, or Aaj Tak. Do you know these channels?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So these three are news channels, right? So they made a news. They publish a news. They publish a news that PM Modi visited uh, White House and discussed with Joe Biden. Okay, right? This is a fact, right? This is called fact because this is a this is a, a factual information, right? Which is triggered by this new channel, and it is um, it is sent back to you. Okay, so this is a fact information, factual data, right? It's a fact, right? And what type of fact it is? It is a news incident, right? It is a news incident, but it is a raw data, raw collection. Okay, so facts are something recorded incidents which are considered to be true or false, whatever it is. Okay, they are recorded incidents incidents. Okay, and these, since these are in the raw format, so these are called raw facts, and raw facts are known as data. Okay, and meaningful data, and sorry, and with data with uh, data with categorization is known as information. So on the top of information you gain the insights. What is insight? Insight is the your analysis. Now you come to know that fact, I repeat, facts are recorded incidents. Okay, data are raw facts. From the fact you made data. Yeah, it's a raw fact. And when you categorize it in a different, so raw facts, this is a fact, right? But this is only one fact. Okay, some second fact is the sports, Virat Kohli hit a century. These two are different facts, right? Virat Kohli hit a century. Okay, did you get my point? These two are facts. Okay, these two are facts. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so these two are facts, right? And but these facts are in raw format, means these are not still categorized. Okay, so these two will collectively known as raw facts, and raw facts are synonymed as data. Individually they will call as fact. This is first fact, this is second fact, right? And these collectively will known be as raw fact, or in general terms we call it as data, right? Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and data, and when you categorize that data, what type of data it is, right? What type of data it is? It is a first one is political data, and second one is sports data, right? Sports data. Did you get my point? This is a political data and this is a sports data, right? So this will be converted into information. These two are information. Means you are something, you have got information about politics, something you have got information about sports. So two categories you have got, and on the top of that you can make your conclusion. Correct? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir. I
Okay,
understood, sir.
okay, okay, fine. Now, in the industry, you don't generally get information directly, right? You get data, means you get raw facts, right? You get raw facts. So we will now proceed any further with data only. Okay. Now 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 come to conventional file system, conventional way of storing data. See, in conventional way, when computers were not there, or something, uh, even after evolution of computer, we were storing data in the form of files. Okay, files. Suppose you have some data, right? So you were saving it as files, in the form of files. Okay. So when computers were not there, it is obvious that you are saving it in files. Okay. So what were the drawbacks of storing data in files? The main drawback were the maintenance. Main drawback was maintenance. Suppose you were they were the basic thing was there, it was not indexed. It was not indexed. Something somewhere indexed, like telephone directory. I don't know where you are aware of not. I have seen telephone directories, right? In my time, I have seen telephone directories, physical telephone directory, where I had indexed data, or dictionaries. The best example is dictionaries. Have you gone through dictionaries? Only
Yes, sir.
English to English dictionary. Have you gone
Yes, sir.
Oxford dictionary? So dictionary
Yeah.
were indexed. These were indexed data, but but dictionary has limited record, right? Limited record. Suppose your data grow day by day. Data grow day by day. What will you do? It is impossible to maintain physically in file. Okay. So that is file management system was declined. Okay. Now comes, then what is the best way to store that? Then comes the new concept, that is DBMS. What is this? It is database management system. Database management system. Okay. So here comes the term database. So what is a database? What is a database? Since tell I have told you that data is a raw collection, right? Data is a raw collection. So whatever raw data is there, or any transform data is there, I'm not going to transform, I'm just considering it as raw data, right? Just categorize it in the form of tables and store it into the database. Basically is a storage, right? Is the storage which is well organized. So database is the well organized collection of storage of data. Well organized collection of data. It is basically a storage which is well organized collection of data. Did you get my point?
Sir, can you repeat once again?
Okay. So database is a well organized collection of data. Means data is saved in the database in a well organized manner, well organized fashion. We will see how it is saved on each class. We will say how it is saved and how it acts. Okay, we will see, but it is a well organized collection of data. All right. So so now comes the concept. We have seen database. What is a database? It is a storage area storage area. Basically it is a storage area which is a well defined collection of data, right? Now comes the concept of tables, which is the main essence of this database management system. Tables are nothing but a collection a collection of area. Tables are nothing but a storage area in which data are stored in the form of rows and tables. Collection area, sorry, collection area, no, storage area in the database. I will write it as DB, where data are stored in rows and tables. ठीक है, right. So you might have read matrix in 12th class 12th basic math subject. Have you studied matrix?
Yes, sir.
Right. What is matrix? So matrix is a well defined organized collection of rows and columns, right? Like this,
Yes, sir.
like this, right? These are, sorry, oops, oops. These are rows. These are called horizontal, are called rows, and verticals are called columns. Okay. Okay. So tables are tables are nothing but matrix. Tables are matrices. You can directly say tables are matrix, right? Tables have also rows and columns. Okay. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
So what we have learned so far, we have learned we have a database. We have a database which is a well organized collection of data, right? And inside the database we have tables, okay, in which we store data in the form of rows and columns. Rows and columns. Okay. Now I will explain you one example so that it will be clear. Okay. And then we will see how to proceed. Okay. So 90 minutes. Just I will give you one example and then we will study tomorrow. Okay. One example. Suppose you are maintaining a shop. Okay. Which shop? Suppose you are maintaining a uh, which shop? Tell me which shop? Just by you.
Medical shop.
Medical shop. Okay. Okay. Just medical shop. Fine. Suppose you are maintaining a medical shop. Okay. So just this is a medical shop. Okay. Medical shop you are maintaining. Okay. Oops. Now this medical shop is your database. Okay. Now you must have some customers. Without customer, medical shop is nothing, right? So you have some customer in it. Okay. So you are maintaining record of customer, right? So this is a table, right? And this is a database. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
It is a medical shop, and in the medical shop you have customer table. Okay, customer table. Okay, it maintains the customer data. It also maintain your medicine data. Whatever you have medicine, whatever you have, if any medicine it is there, which is not available, if it is medicine has expired, all these informations will be maintaining the medicine table. Okay, so you will need different type of tables for maintaining the record, but database will be one, right? Inside this database you will create tables, different type of table. On you will be the worker table, sorry, employee table, right? It is, if you have a large shop, you need employee, right? You need employee. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And another one will be a cost maintenance table, right? Cost maintenance table. Okay, cost maintenance table, in which every revenue will be generated. Okay, so for this database you have one, let me repeat it. For the medicine shop model, you have a database. Okay, right? Database is the master storage. Okay, inside the database you have customer storage area, you have medicine storage area, you have employee storage area, you have cost maintenance storage area, and these are called tables. Okay, which are stored in the form of rows and columns. Rows and columns. We will see each of them one by one in our future videos. Okay. So let us proceed with medical shop only. We will proceed in the future with medical shop. Tomorrow, what will I explain you? Tomorrow, I will explain you about first DDL, that is data definition language. Okay, and after tomorrow to and and after DDL will be explained, I will explain you how to create, means practical. Okay, and after that I will explain you manipulation language DML, and then practical, and then we will proceed. Okay, so I'm just pause.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm just pausing the video. So today class is over. I'm just stopping the video.